The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about this Steam Link app. So I'm on frontend.com here, and it says that Apple rejects Valve's Steam Link app. The app won't come to iOS. So as you guys may know, the Steam Link app from Valve is available on Android right now. It's been out for the last couple of days. So this app is not going to iOS. Apple has rejected. So let's just see why they rejected the app. So it says here, Valve announced early this month that it will make game streaming from PC, Mac to mobile devices possible via Steam Link app. Initially, the app was launched on Android, but Valve said an iOS version will be made available very soon as well. Unfortunately, Steam Link app for iOS has been rejected by Apple, even though the Cupertino-based company initially approved the app, even though the team at Valve appealed and tried to explain Apple why the Steam Link app should be approved, and they were ultimately denied. And here's a quote. It says here, on Monday, May 7th, Apple approved the Steam Link app for release. On Wednesday, May 9th, Valve released news of the app. The following morning, Apple revoked its approval, citing business conflicts with app guidelines that had allegedly not been realized by the original review team. Valve appealed, explaining the Steam Link app simply functions as a LAN-based remote desktop similar to numerous remote desktop applications already available on the App Store. Ultimately, the appeal was denied, leaving the Steam Link app for iOS blocked from release. The team here spent many hours on the project and the approval process, so we are clearly disappointed, but we hope Apple will reconsider in the future. End quote. So that's the reason right there. So that's the reasoning behind that. And it goes on to say, Steam Link app allows users to stream games from their Steam library to a mobile device. But now that Apple's rejected the app, it will not only be available to iOS users. It will not be available to iOS users. The decision is rather strange, considering that many apps already available in the App Store offer the option to stream content to compatible devices. Perhaps there's more to these business conflicts that made Apple backtrack on its initial decision and decide to reject Steam Link, but I guess we'll never know. So the Steam Link app, it's not going to iOS. So if you guys are on iOS and you guys were hoping for this app, it's not coming to iOS. But you never know, Apple may reconsider that in the future, but you never know. But the app is only available on Android for now. It got released a couple of days ago on Android, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll check it out on the Google Play Store. You can stream your Steam game from your PC Mac to a compatible device. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's the whole reason. That's the whole reason of Apple's rejection of the Steam Link app for iOS. It's not coming to iOS, so it sucks for iOS users out there that wanted this app on their phone or whatever. So it's not coming to iOS. Who knows? Maybe in the future Apple may change their mind and let the app be on iOS. But for now, the Steam Link app is only available on Android only for now. So, sad news for iOS users, but hey, it is what it is. Nothing that I can do about it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.